Okay, hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful afternoon. Winner chicken dinner. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a gimbal. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, complicado. Wow. Home ready gimbal. Wow. Hohem M6 kit. 3-axis smartphone stabilizer with field light and AI vision center. Okay, with AI vision center. Wow, it looks sleek. Oh my. Okay, hello dear friends. So now I open it up. Not yet opened. Look at it. It's so... Open it up. Ching ching. The moment of truth. Moment of truth. Hohem iSteady M6 kit. Wow, that's a lot of seeds. Let's open it up. From here. Oh, this is the packaging. Okay, put it aside. Now we open it up. I think now this machinery, they have industrial design. The packaging has industrial design, kind of soft, and then they use kind of a mold. So everything in place. Hohem. Open it up. Oh my goodness, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And I think it must be able to use right now. So you can turn it up and down, and this must be the light. I remember it's... Oh yes, it's magnetic light. You can see it's very strong. There is very strong magnetic. You can feel it. Yeah, this is the right. Okay. And this can allow it to stand. That's a very strong stand. Okay, I first put it down. This is wobbly. It's not wobbly, it's very flexible at this moment. So we put the tripod on. Let's see how it works. You put on the tripod, and then it's very stable. Look at it. Don't you think so? It looks very stable because it really... This is heavy enough. I have one tripod that is light, which is good for travel, but there is a problem. It's not stable, and this one seems quite stable. And this must be the charging line. Yeah, the charging cables, charging USB-C, USB, USB-C, 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 the charging, and here is the charging. It must be already good, so I turn it on. I need another cell phone. Okay, let's see. So here, if I hand hold it, I do not really need it, so I can take it out, use less space. And this one, we put it aside. I put on my phone. This is the phone. Put it here. You can move around like this. And open it up so it's not, the weight is not balanced. Move this one a little bit. Here you can move until you feel balanced. This is, how can it be so? Ah, this is not balanced. Until you find the right balance. Yeah, it's relatively balanced. And then you lock it. Now it is locked. Okay, lock this arm. Lock this arm. So it's relatively balanced. Now we start. Here is the starting button. Oh, this is the starting button. Long press. Okay, so whichever way. Okay, now we give it a try. So here is the gimbal. At the very beginning, it's quite stable because it's all locked. You need to unlock it. Unlock it. Lock. Unlock. And here you need to unlock it. So it becomes very, very flexible now. Now, 1 turning point, 2 turning point, 3 turning point. So 3 ways to make it stable. And this one is on top of it for the lighting. If you are an influencer, it's important for you to look good, right? So you want to have light. Make sure that the camera is on top. This is the direction of the camera. Always make sure here is the camera. So I do not want you to see it. Okay, so here is the camera. You put the camera on top. And then you can start to feel, oh, this is not stable. You need to move around a little bit until you find the right stability. There are 2 ways you can change. You can change this way because this is a small phone. So maybe, oh, almost. Just take some time until you get the right feeling. Yeah, now you can see it's relatively stable. You can feel it's quite balanced. make sure it's more or less balanced, because the machine itself can work its way to figure out where to wear, to put some weight, but as much as possible make it relatively stable. This is relatively stable. Okay, now we can start. So this is a starting button. Long press. See, it gets starts, and whichever way you turn, it's relatively stable. And you can also turn it into this direction. Okay. Okay, we do not make it too fancy. Stop it. Long press, there is no power. It stopped the power. Okay, long press. So this is how it gets started. You will use the camera mode. So it start to shoot it. And make sure you always move around in the right direction. Your hand move around so it keeps always stable. And here you can turn it around. Okay, make sure it is comfortable. This is locked. So cool.